Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Logically, the first question that comes to a person's mind in the discussion of beliefs is: every human being believes in his existence and knows through knowledge that he exists and his existence is not an illusion. We are all convinced that we do not exist before and are born after. All the things around us are like that, meaning those things did not exist before and have come into existence later. The flowers and trees in our street or the car we ride in, the TV we watch or the refrigerator we use, did not first come into existence. Many people have to work hard in companies to make even a small thing. Now you tell me when something as small as a mobile can't come into existence by itself. Someone has to be there to make it. Is it possible that man, who is thousands of times, if not millions of times more complicated than a mobile, was born by himself? And there is no one to create him. In this way, we approach the most important question of our life. He is the one who created us with all our spiritual and physical complexities. This question is the first question that arises in the discussions of beliefs.